temptation is so strong in isolation. Kapag wala kang kasama, kapag wala kang friends, kapag wala ka sa church, temptation is strong in isolation. The temptation to pornography is strong kapag mag-isa ka lang. Suicidal thoughts is strong kapag mag-isa ka lang. Doon ka dadalawin ng suicidal thoughts kapag wala kang kasama. Anxiety is strong in isolation. Kapag mag-isa ka, mas lalo kang mag-iisip ng napakaraming mga bagay na hindi naman talaga nag-i-exist. Kapag mag-isa ka, mas lalo kang madidepress. That's why God is right in saying, it is not good for the man to be alone. So therefore, I will make a helper suitable for him. Ang sabi naman sa ibang version, I will make a helper comparable to him. God created people that is comparable to you. God created people that is suitable for you.